Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about finding your device on your Windows 11 computer if you have your iPhone synced up with your Windows 11 computer or laptop or tablet device. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to select Find My Device to track your device if you think you've lost it. Go ahead and select that. And now you'll have to turn on location settings first. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Make sure that is turned on. And if you want to customize it, you don't have to have it on for everything, but you definitely want to have it on for location services. And then we're going to go back over to the privacy and security options. So we're going to go ahead and left click on that again. You could have clicked the back arrow up at the top too, and we're going to go back to Find My Device. So at this point, you're going to have to sign in with your Microsoft account, and then when you turn on Find My Device, if you have a phone synced to your computer, you should be able to cross sync it up, so it should be able to track your device. Your location settings would have to be on for that device or any devices involved in this process. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.